If you want to create eye-catching marketing visuals in seconds, this changes everything. Most marketers waste hours and budget trying to design custom images, only to end up with generic results that don't convert. At Cyberclick, we've tested dozens of tools across campaigns, and here's the truth. ChatGPT's image generator is one of the fastest and easiest ways to create tailored visuals that actually work. Today, we'll show you exactly how to use it and to speed up your creative process, boost performance across channels, and eliminate your design bottlenecks. Let's start with the biggest win you can get from this tool right now. Starting with ads. ChatGPT's image generator lets you create visuals that perfectly match your ad copy and audience. Instead of settling for generic stock photos, you can generate highly specific scenes or stylized product shots that truly speak to your customers. This level of precision not only helps your ads stand out, but can also boost key metrics. Simply send ChatGPT a detailed list of what you want included in your ad and be particular about color, font, images, etc. to receive the best results. For example, say you're launching a digital product and have a performance-focused ad concept. You should ask ChatGPT to create a sleek, high-contrast image featuring a bold product mock-up, clean lines, and a dark background to grab attention in a crowded social feed. Moving on to social media, which demands fresh and engaging visuals regularly. The image generator makes it easy to produce original, on-brand graphics, from announcements to seasonal themes, without needing a full design team. Similar to ads, by specifying colors, styles, or moods, you maintain a consistent and appealing feed while keeping up with posting schedules. Let's say you have a spring product dropped. You could ask for a soft, nature-inspired visual using a color scheme of greens and whites, with light organic shapes and textures that give your feed a fresh, seasonal look. Now, when it comes to lead magnets, content quality is important, but so is presentation. Using ChatGPT's image generator, you can design polished ebook covers, headers, and illustrations that fit your brand's look and feel. By sharing your brand colors and style preferences, you get visuals that increase trust and make your resources feel more professional, encouraging more downloads. Think of it like this. If you're offering a downloadable marketing guide, you might ask for a modern, minimalist ebook cover with bold typography, simple icons, and a layout that uses plenty of white space for a clean, professional appearance. If you're launching a new product or updating packaging, visuals are essential for both internal feedback and early marketing. ChatGPT helps you generate quick mockups showing different design ideas or setting. This way, you can visualize concepts early and gather input without waiting for expensive photo shoots or 3D renders. It's a smart first step to make sure your ideas translate visually. Here, you could request a packaging mockup for a new wellness product using neutral tones, soft lighting, and a natural background to reflect a calming, premium feel, ideal for early-stage brand direction discussions. When preparing mood boards or pitch decks, strong visuals help align your team. The image generator lets you explore different creative directions, whether it's experimenting with color palettes, photography styles, or overall tones. It's less about finished designs and more about quickly communicating ideas to get everyone on the same page. And ChatGPT Photo Generator can get you those quick, professional designs. For example, you might ask for 3 different visual directions for a brand refresh. One clean and corporate with a blue-gray palette, one bold and energetic with high contrast colors, and one soft and approachable with pastels and round shapes. Rather than guessing whether your next campaign should be playful or premium, use the image generator to prototype both. By providing ChatGPT with detailed ideas, you can quickly create mockups that help you visualize different campaign styles. Sharing these visuals with your team or test audience makes it easier to identify what resonates best. This method speeds up creative decisions and boosts confidence, especially when deadlines are tight. Take this scenario. You could test 2 visual concepts for the same product, one using bright colors, playful fonts, and illustrated elements, the other using a muted palette, sharp lines, and elegant type to compare which direction best fits your target audience. Stock photos often feel generic or off-topic, which can weaken your site's impact. With ChatGPT, you can create custom illustrations tailored exactly to your blog posts or pages. Similar to ads and social media posts, be specific with your details to clearly convey what you want and let ChatGPT handle the creative side. Whether you need conceptual image or a creative header, these visuals improve cohesion and keep readers engaged. If you have a text-heavy blog post explaining a complex marketing concept, you could ask ChatGPT for a hand-drawn style visual that simplifies the idea with icons, arrows, and clean labels to help break up the text and improve clarity. Before reaching out to influencers, it helps to visualize how your product might fit their style. Using the image generator, you can create mock images that place your product naturally in their world, like matching their Instagram aesthetic. This makes pitches more personalized and thoughtful, increasing your chances of successful collaborations. To visualize, you could ask for a product mock-up placed in a cozy, natural at-home setting with soft beige and cream tones, perfect for showing how your brand fits a neutral lifestyle aesthetic before you send your outreach message. Emails benefit from fresh, relevant visuals, but designing unique graphics for every campaign can slow you down. ChatGPT makes it easy to generate email headers, banners, and dividers that fit your campaign's tone, helping you keep emails visually appealing without a long design process. You can easily download the graphics it creates, even asking for a transparent background, and attach it to any email or marketing asset to keep things consistent. Let's say you're sending a limited time offer. You could ask for a bold email header with a countdown style layout, high contrast color blocks, and a strong call to action banner that makes urgency feel visually clear and on brand. Finally, custom visuals tailored to your blog content boost professionalism and reader experience. Whether you want conceptual diagrams or fun illustrations, ChatGPT's image generator helps create images to reinforce your message and brand identity consistently. For example, if you're publishing a blog post on how AI is changing customer service, you might ask for a simple visual showing a chatbot flow diagram with a clean, tech-inspired layout in your brand's colors to help illustrate your key points. Another crucial feature of ChatGPT that you want to master right now is creating your own personalized GPT for your company or project. Watch this video next to learn how. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.